In this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Panasonic TV if it won't turn on. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, here wait for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If not clear the problem, let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Remove both batteries from the remote control. Hold down the power button for 15 seconds. Then put the batteries back in the remote and try to turn on the TV. Method 3. This is the last thing. Usually we'll do a trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Press menu button on the remote, select setup, select system, then click factory defaults. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.